Anger is a powerful emotion that can significantly impact our lives. When we allow anger to consume us, it can cloud our judgment and lead us to make decisions we may regret later. It can also damage our relationships with others, causing rifts that may be difficult to repair. Below is how I have observed anger issues in our society. 1. Anger can manifest in many different ways. Some people may become aggressive and lash out at others, while others may internalize their anger and withdraw. Regardless of how it is expressed, anger can hurt our mental and physical health. 2. When we are angry, our bodies go into fight or flight mode, releasing stress hormones that can increase our heart rate and blood pressure. This can put a strain on our cardiovascular system and increase our risk of developing heart disease. Chronic anger can also weaken our immune system, making us more susceptible to illness. 4. When we are angry, our thoughts become clouded and we may have difficulty thinking clearly. This can lead to impulsive behavior and poor decision-making. Eventually, it can have a detrimental effect on our mental health. 5. Anger can also damage our relationships with others. When we are angry, we may say or do things that we later regret, causing hurt and resentment in our loved ones. This can create a cycle of anger and conflict that can be difficult to break. 6. Holding on to anger can prevent us from moving forward in our lives. When we are consumed by anger, we may be unable to see past our own emotions and may become stuck in a cycle of negativity. This can prevent us from achieving our goals and living our lives to the fullest. So what we can do to manage our anger issues effectively? It is important to find healthy ways to manage our anger and prevent it from taking over our lives. This may involve practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation and practicing mindfulness. We should also seek support from a therapist or counselor or find healthy outlets for our emotions, such as exercise or creative expression. By learning to manage our anger in a healthy way, we can prevent it from having a negative impact on our lives. We can improve our relationships with others, protect our physical and mental health, and move forward towards a more positive and fulfilling future. Anger may be a natural emotion, but it is up to us to decide how we will let it impact our lives. I hope this information was helpful. It all begins with you. Thank you for watching.